guys, so the next stock that we're breaking down for this morning is Naked Brand, or ticker symbol NAKD. I have my lines and graphs set. We're already starting from a higher time frame. That'll allow us to see the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. We're going to first go over our support and resistance lines, and then we'll get into it more in depth on where we're at. All right, so currently we're down nearly almost 4% for the morning. We look at our volume, we're at 7.4 million, so we're definitely above the 150,000 threshold that we like to see. So up here at the $1.45 or more of the $1.40 area is our highest level of resistance tested, you guys, and that can be easily tested. But you can see over here we got rejected, and then once we broke through that resistance, you can see that we started to bounce from this area. So you can see we bounced right here, and then we broke underneath, got rejected again. We came back underneath again. Ultimately 3 or 4 times that we tested this area until we ultimately failed. We even have one right here. This was our last one before we pushed this all the way down to our lower level of support. So this is our lowest level of support tested, you guys. This is an area we tend to bounce from. And remember, underneath it'll work as resistance, and you can see that back here. We had resistance back here and back here until we had this engulfing candlestick that came up and hit this resistance area. Okay, so you can see that we bounced from this area, a little bounce from over here, and then a bounce from over here, and then now we're now testing our support line again. So you can see that we came underneath and we had this beautiful breakout. We came up, came back down, and tested our support. So this is exactly what you want to see for a breakout, you guys. You want to see it to break a new high and then come back down and retest that support. So excuse me. That shows that buyers are stepping up. We are above the trend line. That's beautiful as well. And like I said, we're resting right on top of this support line. Now, the RSI looked like we were a little bit oversold, and now we are starting to correct. So if you were to get in right now, which I don't see any problem with getting in, everything in my checkbox is being checked off. If you want to have either a tight stop loss, you can have a tight stop loss underneath the 54-cent area, or you can have it way underneath this last candlestick down here at the 47-cent area. So if we do break back below this area and we get tagged out, we can wait for a better entry. But like I said, as of right now, I don't really see an issue with getting in. Your first target, if you're going to get in, would be back up here at these previous pivots. It's going to be at the 71-cent area, and then your second target being all the way back up at our previous highest point at the $1.42, okay? So you can see that we were in this downward trend. We were making these lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and then now we are starting to correct. So you guys, I really don't see an issue with getting in as of right now. Let's just be precautious, and like I said, make sure to have that stop loss at least underneath the 55-cent area, okay? I like to make these videos really fast and efficiently for you guys. That way you have a good idea on exactly what you're looking at. And if I did that for you guys, please hit that like and subscribe button. It literally means the world to me if you guys just take the time. About 99% of you guys that watch these videos regularly are not even subscribed, and that hurts my heart. So please do that, you guys. Just take 1 second out of your day to do that for me. But other than that, you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.